Now, months after the Maharashtra irrigation scam broke, a special investigation panel was set up to probe allegations against officials named in the case. But now, in a sensational disclosure by the chief of the SIT, has left the nation stunned. The SIT chief openly admits that he has absolutely no powers to probe officials and charges. The claim has clearly once again put the Maharashtra government in a very tricky spot.
Nearly a year ago, when the news of the 72,000 crore irrigation scam first broke, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, had to step down, but only to be reinstated later on. After much uproar, a special investigation team was set up to probe allegations in the case. But now, in a sensational disclosure, the chief of the irrigation scam SIT admits that the panel has absolutely no powers to probe allegations against officials and politicians in the case.
Bureaucrats have acted on the direction of the concerned ministers. So, as the opposition, we have already demanded that only bureaucrats should not be punished.
The SIT chairperson clearly, expresses his helplessness by saying that they are not allowed to investigate the allegations against officials or ministers, for that matter. Of course, a mockery of the entire SIT that has been constituted by the government.
A departmental inquiry by the State Water Resources Department has framed charges against only one man, Devendra Shirke, then Executive Director of the Vidarbha Irrigation Development Corporation, for his role in the irrigation scam.
सर एकच मिनिट नाही आज जे नाव आलेले त्याच्याबद्दल
नाही काय नाही मी काही बोलणार नाही सर मी काही बोलणार नाही मी सांगितलं माझं मीडियाने मला एवढं नुकसान केलं नाही की मी करिअरचं नुकसान केलं आहे मी काम खूप करून माझं नुकसान झालेलं आहे तर मी काही बोलणार नाही सॉरी मी तुम्हाला सॉरी म्हटलं मी तुम्हाला सॉरी म्हटलं की नाही सॉरी म्हटलं मी तुम्हाला
He has been avoiding to take our question. In fact, I've been running away from our cameras. All we ask is his reply to the fact that he has been charge sheeted in the department inquiry ordered by Maharashtra State Water Resource Department.
Claiming to have been made the fall guy, Devendra Shirke evaded all our questions. But is it actually possible that just one man could have swindled the entire 72,000 crore rupees?
It seems that government doesn't want to take responsibility of their own work. That needs to be looked into the matter, that there is a cohesive relation in between the departments by the NCP.
Very clearly highlight and indicate to people at large that this is a chief minister who is more interested in saving his position, in saving his cabinet, than in saving the treasury or the people's rights and money.
The SIT chief's shocking admission putting the chief minister of Maharashtra in a tricky spot.
त्यांना भेटणार आहे 2 दिवसांमध्ये त्यांना कुठले अधिकार पाहिजेत काय पाहिजेत त्याबद्दल चर्चा करणार आहे त्यांना अधिकार देण्यात येते पूर्ण त्यांना चर्चा करेन केल्यावर मी ठरवून काय त्यांना काय पाहिजे.
A multi-crore scam, and the man at the helm of the investigating committee says he has no powers. Does the Maharashtra government have any explanation for making the SIT a toothless panel and making just one person the fall guy in the case? Bureau Report, Times Now.